Hey, what's up, guys? My guy is back with another episode of lesson. Today, I'm going to show you some passing licks, 5 passing licks. Okay, you can apply when you are, playing on your 1-5-6-4 chord progression. The do. So if you know that this is the first time you're watching my video, I'd like you to hit on the subscribe button, the key, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video like this. Alright guys, if you like the video, smash the like button. I really appreciate that. If you have any comment, any challenge, you can drop it in the comment section. I'm going to give you the reply as soon as possible. Okay guys, so let's move straight into the video. So I want to do the lesson in the key of D. Okay, this is the key of D. Okay, that is the key of D. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. Okay. That is my D7. Okay. Okay. So the first chord is a Do, which is the I'm playing the D sus2 chord. This is the D major. This is the D major. So I played instead of the Mi, I make the re to sound out. Okay, that gives me a D sus2 chord. Okay, that gives me a D sus2 chord. Then I go to my Saw. Okay, that is a Saw, which is the A major chord, A major bar chord. Then I play my 6th chord, which is the La. That will be your B minor chord, your B minor chord. That would be your B minor chord. Okay, your B minor. Then go to my 4th chord. That is your Va chord now, 4th chord, and that will be your G major, G major chord. Okay. So this is a strumming pattern. Okay. Most time there are some worship songs that are strummed like that with acoustic guitar. You can even use your electric guitar to strum the same as well. Okay, all you just need to know is to know the basics, and this is the basics I'm going to show you. Okay, so this is my playtron. So this is how to strum your acoustic strumming like that for worship songs, from your down, up, down. Okay. Down 1, down 2, down, up. Okay, that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1. Then you pick from down, up. Then you get up again. Okay. Down, up, down. Okay. Down, up. Pick the string from up. Then down again. Okay, down, up, okay. Okay, so that is it. That is how to strum your worship songs. Okay, perfect way to have some good strumming. Okay, when you are strumming your chord in the church. Okay. So the first lick I'm going to show you there is I want. Okay, so when maybe you are strumming your chord like that. Okay, maybe the keyboardist is on the Do chord now, the 1 chord. You can play licks like that. Okay, you can play something like that. So what I'm playing there is I'm playing a root note there, which is a do to do, high and low octave there. Okay, you're playing a high and low octave. Sorry. Do. Okay. I play the re, the same thing. The third string and the fourth string. Okay. Do, re, do, ti. Okay, now I go to my ti. La. Okay. Ti, do. Okay. Okay. Probably you may hear some guitarists playing stuff like that, mostly on jazz. Okay, and then you come to your do. Now, while you're still on your do, you can play something like okay. Go to your 5 chord now, okay? So I play from the so la do re mi do ti. But I made some hammer on, okay, from the re and the ti. I hammer on the first hammer on from the so and the la, okay. Okay, hammer on from there. So I made a pull on from the re and the mo. Okay. T, now the T there is the so chord, which is the A major. Okay. Go to your A major. So chord there. You play a bounce back chord. Then I go to my while going to the la, I play something like that. Okay, so what I'm playing there is do ti so, do ti so. I pull on from the mi, re and do. Okay. Mi re do. Okay. Then I made a pull on. I made a slide again from the re and the mi. Do la. Okay. Do la. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to the va. Then I play. Before going to the va, you can play another lick. The fifth lick there you can play something like this. Okay. So what I'm playing there is re mi fa mi re mi. So I hammer on from the re and the mi. Then I play la ti do, la ti la. Okay, la ti la. Okay. Okay. Then I play the fifth lick there I play. So do re mi so la re mi do. Do re mi so la the licks you can improvise, you can, you know, put in when you are improvising over the 1 5 6 4 chord progression. That will make it sound better. Now, mostly you might not play these licks, okay, when you are playing on under chord. You might not be able to play it when you are playing the chord progression as well, okay. You can just play the licks when the keyboardist or any other guitarist, okay, maybe the rhythm guitar is playing the chord as well, so you can just play then okay, so that is it. Wherever you don't understand, you can hit me on the comment section. I'm going to give the reply as soon as possible. Okay guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.